You would have never ever heard about this method before to make some real quick cash, maybe to pay your rent or to spend it however you want. The thing about YouTube or content creation in general is that first, you need to build a whole following and community that is loyal and watches your content every time you post. Just like this video you are watching, I am literally starting from zero. It would be cool if you can subscribe though. No pressure, by the way. Anyways, it takes months and sometimes even years to build such a big audience, and then you start getting paid. That's not good if you want fast cash. How about you start getting paid for the first short you publish, and the amount you would get paid for just 1K views will be higher than what AdSense pays for long-form content on YouTube. That's kind of crazy and unbelievable, but it's totally possible, and I would walk you through step by step on how to do that. Content rewards, where you post content for people that are paying for per 1,000 views you bring in. These are brands and maybe sometimes influencers who are looking for clippers. Bring in the views, and you would start getting paid as soon as you complete the target. It's not like one of those surveys you do and get paid for it, but instead the money here is big for little effort and kind of semi-passive. Here is a campaign paying literally $1.75 for 1K views that's even higher for what YouTube pays for long-form content in general through ads. Then there is another paying $3 for 1,000 views. So there is insane money to be made. But of course all this comes with a little catches, like the approval rate. Approval rate means how often do they approve the content you submit to get paid for. Some of them have pretty low approval rate, some of them have a high approval rate. It's better to stick with the ones having high approval rate so you don't end up having your content rejected. And BTW, they do it not only for YouTube Shorts, but also for all types of video content, like on Instagram Reels and TikTok. Most of the campaigns are for streamers. You see those people clipping and posting for streamers all day. It's not that they are big fans of those streamers. It's just that they are getting paid to clip the streams and get paid for it once they start bringing in views. Let me show you how to do it step by step, and watch. First and foremost, search for contentrewards.com. This is the homepage for the brand itself. Get paid for posting as the creator. Now we scroll down, keep scrolling. We have reviews of different people. Then scroll up a little, and there is an option for See All. Now here we have a whole list of campaigns ready to pay out creators. Some are paying $0.75 per thousand views, and some are paying up to $3 per thousand views. I like to choose the campaigns ran by podcasters who want to promote their podcast cause. Most of these podcasts have a few clips that have the potential to reach 100,000 or even 1,000,000 views. Now this guy, who is probably an Islamic scholar, is paying up to $1.5 per 1,000 views and the budget is 10000. That means there is money to be made here. But you have to also see the approval rate, which I feel is quite low. Might be the reason why only $200 are paid out up until now. Then here is a campaign ran by Justin Waller, which most of you guys would have seen on Instagram. Hanging out with the Tate brothers, he pays out good money, and his approval rate is also one of the highest. Not only that, but his clips also have the potential to go viral. There are many campaigns like this. Another one here about Bitcoin and crypto, paying good money, but most of the time it's hard to make the crypto ones go viral for some reason. Then we have this Arabic-based campaign. I think it's only for people who are Arabic speaking, which might be an opportunity for you if you are someone from the Middle East. At the end of the day, you have to niche down to specific campaigns. Maybe you know lots about crypto. Maybe you know how to speak and read Arabic. Whatever you know can help you clip really well and make cash.